Fitinhot rocket stove. More choices for camping and emergency. Durable and reliable. Practical designs. Multiple fuel options. High efficiency and energy saving. Outdoor cooking helper. It's a beautiful day for camping with my Fitinhot rocket stove. Start by opening the stove legs. Install the propane burner and connect it to the gas tank. Unscrew the control valve. Ignite the fire and get ready for some delicious cooking. Let's start with a mouth-watering steak. It looks absolutely delicious. Next up, fry some eggs and sausage. That looks equally appetizing. Enjoy the meal and savor the flavors. Wrap up the lunchtime experience with a satisfying cup of coffee. Unfortunately, the gas fuel ran out, but don't worry, we can easily switch to wood as fuel. Removing the burner takes just 30 seconds. It's simpler than expected. Add some wood and flammable material to the stove. The fire lights up instantly. The front door makes it convenient to add more wood. Let's prepare the ingredients for dinner. Add more firewood and wait for the food to cook. The aroma of the delicious food fills the air. Remember to enjoy every moment and embrace the joy of outdoor with the Fitinhot rocket stove.
Cheers.